Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your exclusive love reading for the last week of February, starting from February 24th till the March 2nd. If you're looking for a career based reading that's already uploaded on my channel for the month of March, you can click on videos and you will get your career related reading as well. Now this reading is exclusively for people who are in complicated situations, relationships or marriage, and they have some questions and they want to know about the predictions. So let's start, let's dive in, let's see how your week is going to be. So first you've got the Pope card and the Magician, and you've also got the Seven of Moons and the Chariot. Now first of all, I do see that a lot of you Aquarius are manifesting a marriage, right? So either you are actually getting married in the last week of February, or at least you are manifesting the perfect partner and a marriage. So you are definitely starting to plan for one. You could be getting engaged or rocofied or married in the last week, or you are preparing for something which is happening, right, in the future. It can be kundli matching, it can be some small ceremony. So I do see you manifesting it. Also with the manifesting card here, which is the Magician, it's very important for you to be positive at all times, right? Because your manifestation powers will be very strong in the last week of February. It's important that you think positively, right? It's important that you do not be negative, otherwise you will attract negativity as well. So it's a caution card that whenever you're trying to manifest something, be positive at all times, think that it's going to happen. Now, to others of you, I do see, yes, your expectations of your partner or your expectations from your marriage or your in-laws, or how the decoration is supposed to be, or how, you know, how expensive lehenga I'm going to wear. That kind of situation is a lot, which means the cards are saying that you're expecting a little too much. It's like you're creating fantasies in your head which might not come true, and you might just feel very bad about it or sad about it later. So the cards are asking you to curb your expectations a bit so that you're more realistic regarding it. And I also see that it's a traveling card as well. So some of you could be traveling. Either you're going for a destination wedding, or your spouse is at a distance, so he or she is traveling to come and see you, or you are traveling to go and see them. So some sort of travel is definitely happening. If you're already in a relationship or marriage, you and your partner could be traveling in the last week of February, going for a vacay or something. I also see it's a card of forward movement, which means if your life was stuck as of now, it will start moving forward, right? Step by step, you will see changes and you will see forward movement in your relationship. If you're single, not getting a partner, you will find someone. If you were already in a relationship and you were not getting married, you will start talking about one. And if you were married and there were some problems, or you guys were not spending a lot of time with each other, that will go away and you will form stronger bonds with each other. So it's going to be a beautiful week no matter what situation you're going through. So if you would like to claim the positive energy of this reading, you can comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that this energy reaches you faster. Okay, and if you still have any questions in your mind, like I have very specific questions: when will I get married, if I'll clear that exam or not, or what about my promotion, you always can book a reading with me. Either you like and follow me on Instagram and DM me. I will send you the charges, very cheap, very budgeted, so you can ask as many questions as possible. Or you can also email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. My Instagram handle is the Moksha Tarot. Okay. And if you liked this reading, if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. I will see you soon tonight at 10:30 IST for a live Q&A session. So become a member and participate in the live chat. Okay. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.